kasurog. No, thank you for tuning in sa third leg ng Ako Bicol Cup. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium, Jose Panganiban, Camarines Norte. And we are about to witness the battle between the Labo and Kapalonga. Ako nga po pala si Angelo Espinosilia, ang inyong play-by-play commentator. At kasama ko dito si...
Yes, hello mga kasurog. I'm Coach Paul Sepe, ang magiging basketball analyst ngayong hapon. Hello, partner.
Hello, Coach Paul. No, sa mga kaka-tune in lang, on green ang ating Team Labo and on gray jersey naman ang Team Kapalonga. There you have it, the first point. Went to Labo with an easy two and stolen. With a quick fast break to Ranieses. Ranieses losing the ball. Yes, both teams are still warming up as we are warming up as well. Now, this is my first commentating here in Camarines Norte, Coach Paul.
Yes, partner. So, sa nakikita nga natin ngayon, maaga pa lang itong Team Labo talagang on their game na. Tumatrap na sila with the half-court trap. You know, partner, this Team Labo, their first game, they came up short dun sa kanilang laban nung ating day 2 against Jose Panganiban, the home team ngayon na maglalaro mamaya. And this Kapalonga team is, I think this is their first outing dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte leg, partner.
Okay, thank you for that information, Coach Paul. So both team are desperate as this is the debut game of Kapalonga and a little bit desperate ang Labo to win their first match coming from a loss. And kitang-kita naman natin, no, Labo with Haga, the new member of the team, pushing hard and making the pace faster. And ito naman ang court general nila na si Jose, trying to look for an open space but steps into the line and that's a turnover. And medyo nag-alangan siya dun sa tawag na yun.
And medyo naguluhan siya doon, partner, kung alin ba talaga yung linya, yung yellow o yung may blue.
Yeah, tama, Tapis now. What a drop blow by Cap Tapis. And a monstrous block, but the whistle was blown there on Macaro. Napakagandang drive sana yun ni Tapis, but it was not converted into a points.
Yes, partner. So nakita naman natin napakagandang close out nito ni number 24 guy Macaro. So late, ngayon pa lang, partner, nakikita na natin yung intensity ng both teams.
Tama. At bago natin pagpatuloy ang bakbakan, puntahan muna natin si Barbie Floriano para sa kanyang report. Barbie, the floor is yours.
Isang magandang gabi na naman mga kasurog. This is Barbie Floriano, ang inyong makakasama na maghatid ng latest updates from the courtside. And before the game ay nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon para kausapin ang coaches ng bawat team. Nasabi nga sa akin ni Coach Anthony Yebra from Kapalonga, this is their first game at inaasahan niya na magkakaroon ng magandang connection ang kanyang players inside the court dahil useless ang kanilang preparation kung wala ito. Dagdag pa niya na all of their players are homegrown talents. That's the latest for now. Stay updated mga kasurog by liking the Facebook pages of Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List, and Ako Bicol Online TV. We are also on YouTube and TikTok via Ako Bicol Cup. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Barbie. Very interesting information coming from our courtside reporter. The Kapalonga members are homegrown talents.
Yes,
in short, walang import.
Yes, partner. So, yun naman siguro ang gusto ipagmalaki nitong Kapalonga. So, dapat makita natin yung team chemistry pa lang nitong Team Kapalonga kasi homegrown. So, matagal na sila magkakakilala.
Tama.
So, dapat mag-materialize yan, partner, dito sa larong ito.
So, tingnan natin kung papayag ba ang Labo na manalo yung Team Kapalonga. Because they are, of course, eyeing for their first win in these eliminations of the Ako Bicol Camarines Norte. And there you have it, after Labo gaining a 6-point advantage against Kapalonga, the Kapalonga called their first time out of the game. Ano kaya, Coach Paul, yung maging strategy ni Kapalonga dito?
Yes, partner. Siguro kaya sila tumawag ng timeout dito, partner. And this very early at the first quarter kasi nakikita naman natin na itong Team Labo is very aggressive on their half-court 2-2-1 trap, no? So, I think yung coach ng ng Kapalonga ni si Coach Michael Mabesa is going to have their adjustments doon sa trap na yon. And I think yun talaga ang dapat nilang trabahuin sa mga oras na to kasi Labo is getting aggressive, more aggressive than Kapalonga dito pagdating sa defensive end part.
And thank you for your insights, Coach Paul. Tignan natin no, if mako-convert into their benefits yung first time out nila for the first quarter. And maybe no, this team no, is still adjusting as this is their debut game nga.
Yes, partner. So, gano'n naman talaga, no? Sabi nga, may mga first game jitters pa yan, eh. So, I think kailangan ipagpag lang yan. So, eto naman, sila naman ngayon ang pumipressure ng bola. Dapat talaga pag gano'n, counterin mo din yung ginagawa sa iyo ng kalaban.
Tama, no? If they are aggressive, you should be more aggressive. And with that, there's a turnover no, after Morao sinking 2 points there on the free throws. Jose missed the opportunity to points. Tapis now with the ball to Balse. Bounce pass inside. Trap against Su. What a nice pass to an open man outside na si Morales. Pero it was not converted. Raneses with a pass to their big guy. No good. Tapis once again with the ball. Dribbling. Showing off his handles. Back to Morales. Morales looking for an open man. Balse. And a long range two-pointer. No good. But they got the offensive rebounds and Tapis pushing hard there. And the whistle was blown. A good attack on Team Kapalonga.
Yes, partner. So makita natin sa sequence na yon, napaka-aggressive ng mga big guys nitong Kapalonga, partner, in crashing the board. So yun ang magandang nakikita natin so far dito sa Team Kapalonga, partner.
Tama, no? Maybe yun yung sinabi ni coach sa kanila no, in the timeout. You have to run and no, find your rhythm so that you can battle the pace shown by Labo in the first few minutes. And with that, there's an easy breakaway pass to Jose. Grabe naman yun, no? Catching the opponent off guard.
Yes, partner. So ang gandang steal nun for Team Labo. You know what, partner, in their game, they have 11 steals on their last game. Although they came up short on that last game, pero yung steal department, medyo mataas sila. So makikita natin yan, nagmamaterialize ngayon for Team Labo.
No, that's a no-joke statistics when it comes to steals. No? Napakagandang defense and offense at the same time. Jose throwing the ball from downtown and making it sink. Nothing but net. Ito naman si Tapis. Blow by and another breakaway pass. Nagbabaga. Etong si Jose. And that calls for another timeout. Mga napakamot ulo. Dan si Coach Michael Mabesa ng Kapalonga.
That's an early cushion, partner, for Team Labo. So I think this is the time siguro sabi ng coach nila, we are gonna bounce back from that loss, di ba? So ngayon pa lang pinapakita na nila, first quarter pa lang talagang they are defending well, they are pushing the ball sa transition. Maganda yung pinapakita nitong mga guards nila in the likes of Jose. And also, one of the notable players natin dito, partner, yan, si Jose, and also Lyndon Alanis pa. Nandyan pa siya, who played for Team Bato and Camarines leg for Ako Bicol Cup, partner.
Kaya naman pala, and in any kind of sport, no, pag galing ka sa talo, it's a very, very good springboard, no, to come back stronger. And it's showing up here sa ating first game dito sa Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium. No, again, sa kaka-tune in lang, you are watching Kapalonga on gray jerseys and Labo on green jerseys. Now, Kapalonga trying to maybe change their play from long range. A good attempt on the part of Paddy.
That's Paddy, partner. So it's a good look for Paddy and the 3-point line. So tinamaan kasi yung shooting arm niya nito ni Raneses. So that resulted for a 3-point free throws, partner.
Tama, sabi nga niya ni Sir John Wadi, Sir John Bachelor, very good opportunity as he will step on the charity line.
Yes, partner.
3 free throws will be awarded. So he sank the first one and he misses the second. Tingnan natin if he will get the third free throw. And he didn't. Maybe still warming up for this is his first few seconds. Pero good foul na yon for his team. Now Macaro attacking the paint. No good. Offensive rebound by Tapis but still misses. Now Olit, no? Was running like a wind but there's a foul. Ito naman yung parang bad side, no, on being too strong on defense. You are prone to fouls and kung makita natin madami na agad foul, no, itong Team Labo. I think this is their 5th personal foul if I'm not mistaken, no.
Yes, partner.
In less
So,
than 5 minutes penalty na sila.
That's the price of being aggressive talaga, partner. So hindi may aalis sa mga players na magiging gigil din pagdating sa mga ganyan.
Tama, you cannot have both, no. Sabi nga nila, there's a trade-off. The loss of economics is showing. Unlike dito sa Team Kapalonga, wala pa silang foul, no, in the first quarter. Now, good ball movement on the team of Labo, but misses. Ito na, good defense on the side of Kapalonga. From long range. No good in releasing the bound. A no-look pass and a reverse layup by Macaro, but it was blocked.
So nakita natin doon, partner, Team Labo got the second chance. And you know, kung ang Kapalonga, they also crush the board. Sabi ng mga taga-Labo, kami din, na magagawa din namin yan.
Tama, no? And they are showing a mixture of shooting from outside and inside as well. Now, the Paddy dribbling the ball. And another corner shot and a long-range one. And ano kaya yun? What was the call? No? Outside na siya. Kasi dumaan na sa likod ng board.
Yes, tumama sa likod na bakal ng board, partner.
Yes.
So
That's the rule, no? Out of bounds na siya.
Out of bounds na, no count.
Okay, so thank you for that information, Coach Paul. Number 15, si Ibis. Kakapasok lang. Good rebound on the team Labo, but stolen by Paitan. Paitan has to the side in a short jumper by Bien. Napakaganda. I think makakapasok lang din to. So good utilization on the players of Team Kapalonga. Pabago-bago. Every time out yung mga players nila.
So kanina, partner, siguro mas relax na sila ngayon coming into this 4th minute mark of the first quarter. So kanina kasi medyo na-excite tong Team Kapalonga siguro kasi first outing nila to on this Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte leg. Pero ngayon medyo okay na yung facing nitong team.
Tama, no? Kumbaga ginagamay pa because this is an unfamiliar territory even for them, no? Jose Panganiban is not a stone throw away from Kapalonga. That is why they are struggling in the first few minutes. But now, good defense on their part, no? These homegrown players, no, are showing their good defense because Labo didn't make the shot. No? They failed to take the shot within 24 seconds. That was the violation called upon to them. Now, Paddy from the corner fires a missile, but there's an off-ball offensive foul called on Vien. After making a shot, he made a mistake.
So, grabe, pinuntahan niya pa kasi yung sa defender eh. So hindi niya naman kailangan gawin yun eh. Open na to si Olet dun sa corner.
An unnecessary mistake, if you may call it. Now, good rebound on Kapalonga, Paitan to Sabukor. His first few seconds, Sabukor dribbles, attacking the paint, but no good. Missed the ball. Paddy trying to intercept, but here an easy layup using the board by Ibis.
Ibis, partner. So, ang ganda ng recognition ni Jose, partner, doon sa play na yon. So, alam niya na si Ibis is nasa left side niya nung nagtatrap sila ng bola, and eventually na-recognize ni Jose for that easy open layup.
Tama, no? Hindi basta-basta yung game awareness na yun, no? Kasi it was behind his back and no look pass din yun. So the trust and chemistry is showing.
Yes, partner.
And makita natin punong-puno din ang ating stadium, no, ng mga ganda at naggagwapuhang mga audience member. So punta po kayo dito, no, wala pong ticket ang ating Mga palaro, this is of course brought to you by Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Mapapanood din po tayo kung hindi kayo pwedeng pumunta sa ating mga channels. Now we have the YouTube channel Ako Bicol Cup 2023. Sa Facebook naman ang Ako Bicol Online TV at ang page ng ating butihing Rep Zaldico.
So, ang dami pa partner na pwedeng mapanooran nitong ating liga. Okay, so mga malapit naman, again, sabi mo nga, free kayong pumunta dito. Halos lahat ata na free eh. For
Tama.
players, free yung sapatos, free yung jersey. So, ano pang maihingi natin dito sa Ako Bicol. So, maraming salamat po, Rep Zaldico, for this very huge basketball tournament here in Bicol.
Tama. And of course, to our commissioners, no, si Sir Lloyd Rivera and Sir Ino Rivera, ang ating head ng technical team, si Sir Christian, and of course, no, si Sir Paul, Coach Paul. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Ito na, running like a wind. Si number 21, si Olet, at misses. And a breakaway pass to Salgado. Salgado fades away. No good. Rebounded by Sabukor. Grabe. Commended, no? Kung baga, hindi naman to mga higante, pero ang nataas tumalon. Paddy passing the ball to the side. And to the corner once again. Fires the missile. Sabi nga ni Sir Alex, kaboom!
Napakagandang swing ball non partner. So talaga pag inasahan mo yan, pag swinging ball yan sa weak side, the shooters are ready to shoot that ball.
Napakagandang ball movement, no?
Yes, partner.
And of course, hindi yun basta-basta, no? It comes from many hours of practice to gain that chemistry. Now, Kapalonga with Olet generating the play for his team. Loses the ball, but Paddy was there to recover. And pass to the side once again, showing their ball movements. But here, Serrano. Grabe naman yun.
Napakagandang galaw, partner, dito ni Serrano.
Using his body as an advantage, no, to attack the defenders. No, they were caught off guard there. He was capitalizing on his prowess, no, and strength inside. But here comes a revenge three-pointer from Alanis, but misses. And another from his favorite spot. No good this time for Sabukor. And ito naman, ang bibilis tumakbo ng Team Labo. Good, I think that was a good foul because there's 3 against 2 there.
Yes, partner, that's a good foul on Sabukor. Nakita niya outnumbered sila, partner, so he take that reach and foul.
Tama. No, especially, I think this is their only, this is their second team foul. No? Very, very rare lang naman yung foul nila on this first quarter, unlike Team Labo.
Yes, partner. So, pero hindi natin napapansin. Dalawa na lang, partner, ang inahabol nitong Kapalonga. 14-16 with 51 seconds remaining.
So, nag-pay off yung mga timeouts ng ating coach. But with that, no, pag nababati talaga, pinakitaan tayo ng Team Labo.
Narinig na naman tayo nitong player na si Ibis. Talagang hindi siya papayag. Gusto niya, dagdagan ko pa yan.
Paddy with a long-range jumper. No good. And Parilla securing the ball. And yan, mukhang Coach Paul, no, mapupuno na agad ang ating venue no first game. I think this is one of the best venues na I've been so far kasi this is by the seaside. No? Paglabas mo ng venue, kitang-kita mo yung dagat. Napakagandang isla.
Yes, partner. So kanina nga tuwan-tuwa tayo. Ngayon, medyo umahangin. The sea breeze is touching her face.
Tama, no? Matitikman mo yung alat pero dito ang tatamis ng mga ngiti ng mga tao. Ayan na. Kapalonga with 10 seconds remaining. Quick three-pointer by Sabukor, but he cannot repeat what he did on his first try. With 5 seconds, they intercepted the ball for their last possession. Quick pass to the big man, and of course, he will attack, but loses. And they loses the opportunity. And that's the end of the first quarter. Grabe, napakainit na bakbakan, Coach Paul. No, ending the first quarter with 21-14 in favor of Team Labo.
Yes, partner. So ayun ang first quarter. Medyo on the first 3 minutes to 4 minute mark of the first quarter, medyo yung pick up ng team ng Kapalonga medyo slow pace pa. Pero coming onto the the 7th minute mark talagang pinakita nila na hindi kami basta-basta din na team kahit lahat kami homegrown. So again, medyo nakalapit na ngayon ang Team Kapalonga with 14-21 ang score, although lamang pa rin ang Labo, but at least hindi na kanina kasi there was an I think 7-1 run beginning the first quarter. So maganda yon for the coach of Team Kapalonga na na-adjust nila yung kanilang offense and kanilang nabasag yung trap na ginagawa nitong Team Labo.
Tama, kasi it's very dangerous, no, kapag early in the first quarter nagta-time out ka na agad, no? Pero it paid off.
Yes,
so
partner.
kudos to the coach of Team Kapalonga na si Sir Michael Mabesa, and of course, no, sa coach ng Labo na si Sir Mel Del Rosario for sustaining, no, their advantage. So ito yung stats natin for the first half. On Team Labo, we have jersey number 16 na si Jude Jose, gaining 9 scores, 1 assist, and 1 steal.
Yes, partner. On the other hand, partner, we have Antes Sabucor with 3 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 assist. So this is going to be a head-to-head battle between these two scorers, partner.
Sabucor versus Jose. But let's see, no, maybe no, may mga late bloomers dito, no, at kinakapapa yung court. And with that, we're back to the ball game on our second quarter. No, so kaka-tune in lang, again, live na live tayo dito sa Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium. Pwede po kayo pumunta. And a good attempt on Aga. Si Aga Bernal, no? I think Bernal is his surname. I've been calling him Aga. But it fell short. And hindi ko nakita sino yung nag-3-point partner.
Yeah, that's the good look for Tapis, partner. On the other hand, he got that 3-pointer.
Yan. Tapis. Now, missing the shot there for Team Kapalonga. Team Labo, rather. Na si Parillas. And another attempt on beyond the arc by Team Kapalonga but misses. No, that was a good attempt by Mabesa because it was an open spot. Tingnan natin, no, if they can come back because Labo is only leading with 2 points. Tingnan natin, this is a very crucial possession and they intercepted it. Napagandang pag-agaw ni Morales. Running fast and a pullover shot. No good. No, an opportunity sana to cut the lead. But here comes Labo. Macaro using his body. But there's a foul called.
That's on Paitan, partner. So nakita ni Macaro na medyo mismatch sa kanya to si Paitan when it comes to speed. So inatake niya, partner, that resulted to a foul.
Tama, no, and I think as my observation, no, Kapalonga is capitalizing on their shooters because of their height advantage. While ito naman si Labo, they are using the body, no, to attack the paint. But no, to surprise them, tumitira din sila from the outside. But of course, no luck yet on their attempts. Tingnan natin kung they will continue this pace or makikita, no, ng Kapalonga yung solusyon para makatabla dito sa Team Labo. Alright, inbounding now, the ball is Mabesa. But I think merong inaayos doon. So puntahan muna natin si Barbie with the assistant coach of Labo for the interview. So Barbie, take it away.
Good evening again, Coach Paul and Coach Jello. Now I am back with Coach Alano Alaon of Team Labo. Hello sa iyo, Coach. That was a great start for your team. Ano sa tingin mo, Coach, yung edge ng Team Labo from Team Kapalonga?
Ang nakikita namin edge dito namin is yung size, yung height. Medyo lamang kami sa height pero sa ngayon mukhang hindi pa namin nagkukuhang advantage yung sa amin kasi mukhang nakaprepare din talaga ang Team Kapalonga.
That's right, Coach. May nais ka po bang batiin or pasalamatan? Go ahead, Coach.
And of course, gusto po namin pasalamatan yung mga sumusuporta po sa Team Labo, lalong-lalo na po kay Mayor Jojo Francisco at kay Boss Ronnie Umali. Maraming salamat po sa full support.
Thank you so much po, Coach, and good luck on your game. That's the latest. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Barbie, and sa assistant coach ng Team Labo. Ano, as we were saying, Labo was really capitalizing on their height advantage. But of course, no, hindi basta-basta yung depensa ang pinapakita dito ng Team Kapalonga. And now, Macaro with an easy jumper there. Ayaw nilang makahabol yung Team Kapalonga despite their perseverance. Ito na si Tapis attacking the paint against 3. Showing that he can still dominate despite the Labo being the rim protectors. Macaro once again losing the ball, and that's a traveling violation.
Okay, that's a sorry mistake there for Macaro, partner. So yun na nga, sabi nga ng assistant coach, partner, medyo malalaki sila, but nakikita natin when it comes to size, medyo yung mga bigs ng Kapalonga is malalapad din eh. So kahit medyo mababa, pero the build is there. So medyo hindi din nila magalaw-galaw eh when it comes to sa inside operation nitong mga bigs nitong Labo eh. You know, coming from that timeout, nakita natin yung isang big, 3 yung naka-green shirt dun sa ilalim. Pero hindi siya natakot, diniretso niya pa rin.
Tama, no? Indeed, di naman kataasan yung height nila. No? They are massive, no? They are wide. And with that, kitang-kita natin no, sa last offense ng Kapalonga, medyo kinabahan no, na bumangga yung 3 defender ng Team Labo. And tingnan natin, kaya kung magbabago yun no, dito sa timeout sa ating second quarter. Ito na, Tapis, dribbling the ball. Pass it to the side, back to Tapis, quick inside. Quick pass inside. Napagandang ball movement no, from number 30 na si Morao, pinasa kipaitan. Good recognition on their the positioning of their teammates. Ito na, at favorite spot ng Labo on the right side, fires an unexpected 3-pointer, but Bernal was there trying to get the rebound, but outnumbered. Tapis attacking against all odds, loses the ball, and that's a turnover. I think the favorite side dito ng Team Labo, ito yung dito sa may right side ng court, no, kaya medyo nahuhuli sila dito. Palagi papunta dito yung bola.
Yes, partner. So, na-anticipate yun ng Team Kapalonga. On the other end naman, napakaganda ng transition na ginagawa ng Kapalonga. But, yun lang, nothing but the shot, partner. Di nila ma-convert. Pero maganda yun. Right now, yung game nila is transition. Napipilitan itong Team Labo na humabol. At kung sakali, pwede pa sila makakuha ng foul.
Tama. And speaking of the commendations that given to Kapalonga, they are now at par on score, 25 na. No, slowly but surely. And here as an opportunity to gain the advantage for the very first time, and releases the bomb to secure the advantage but misses. Bernal was there controlling the rim both in attack and defense. No, parang ayaw nilang ibigay yung advantage sa Team Kapalonga as if they, of course, no, it will hurt their pride being gaining no, a 6-point advantage on the first few minutes of the game.
Yes, partner. So ayun na nga, ito naman po pressure ngayon ng Team Kapalonga with their own kind of pressure defense.
And that resulted to a foul, no? Again, consequences of posing 2 strong fouls. No, you are prone 2 strong defenses rather. No, you are prone to fouls. Here we go. Alanis inbounding it to the side. Balnig. No good. And here we go. Macaro proving that he can shoot from the outside as well. Taking again the lead for Team Labo. Now Balse dancing with the ball. To Olit. Olit looking for someone. Quick pass to the side. Pump fakes. Back to Olit. And a pull-up jumper. Nothing but net. And they're tied again on 27. Napakagandang laban ng Labo at Kapalonga. Ito na naman si Macaro. No, the playmaker and the shooter for his team. But a quick pass on the outside but misses. Olet. To Serrano. Back to Olet. Olet to the side. Ang kakapasok lang na si Osea. Makikita natin na mixture of though generally young ang mga players natin, no, meron ding mga veteran players na pinapapasok dito sa Team
partner.
Kapalonga.
And good thing doon sa Kapalonga, sabi nga, maganda yung nagiging resulta nitong mga players itong Kapalonga, being all homegrown, partner, kasi maganda yung ball movement, maganda yung sharing ng bola. So, hindi sila nahihirapan when it comes to their plays. So, yun ang maganda nating nakikita so far, partner. For Team Labo naman, medyo nagiging aggressive sila so far, which is nagre-resulta yon sometimes into turnovers. And also, yung sinasabi mo ay napapansin mo, laging nasa right side, laging nasa right side. So, medyo na-anticipate na yon ng Team Kapalonga.
Tama, no, they are being easily predicted. Tingnan natin kung makakapag-adjust sila dun sa, I think, no, they are unconscious naman dun sa ginagawa nila. Or maybe, that's the play they have been practicing. Kaya ganun. No? Pero tingnan natin, no, as we are now back to the ball game with 4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining time and an opportunity for Kapalonga to take the advantage for the very first time. Eto na. At eto, kitang-kita sa camera natin. No, that was a very desperate attempt to control the paint on the side of Kapalonga by Serrano.
That's too much aggressiveness, partner, naman on the part of Serrano.
Tama.
Nakahuli siya doon. Talagang nakalabas kasi, partner, yung siko niya eh.
So, yan. Tingnan natin if that mistake would be converted to the points by Labo. And good pass sana to Ochoa, but it was seen, by Olet.
So yung napapansin natin, partner, no, talagang their offense comes from this side, from the right side. So, and after that, saka na nila sila swing ball pag wala ditong opportunity.
And with that, running for an easy 2 points using the board is Sabukor. And that's their first advantage of the game. Tingnan natin kung makukontinue nila ito o mababawi ng Team Labo. And a no-look pass to Bernal. Bernal joining the team for the very first time. No, this game still struggling with their connections as well. Now Sabukor, the one who took the shot to gain their advantage, pass it to Olet in his favorite spot, but no good. Spins. Now looking for someone. Back to Olet. Olet loses the ball. But still, the ball is in their possession. But with 8 seconds remaining, let's see if they can convert it into a valuable points. Looking for someone. And a lob pass to Sabukor. Sabukor dancing with the rhythm of the drums. And medyo nag-alangan doon si Serrano, maybe because of his foul recently. Pero intercepted by Sabukor. Sidestep and a pass. But misses. Good offensive rebound, but are failing to secure the shot. But this time, what a finger roll by Olet. Grabe ang offensive rebound. And eto na, sunod-sunod na mistakes on the side of Labo. That's a so sorry mistake for Team Labo. A traveling violation without a guard.
Yes, partner. So ayun na nga, Team Kapalonga, yung never giving up attitude ditong mga batang ito, talagang makikita natin dito. On the other side, Team Labo with those turnovers. And I think, partner, ito, nasa stats natin, they are giving 19 turnovers per game, partner, itong Team Labo. So they have to take care of that ball, partner. Yun na lang makikita natin. And that will definitely hurt them pagdating na fourth quarter.
Tama, and that 19 turnovers when converted, at least for 2 points, that's 38 points.
Yes, partner.
But of course, hindi naman yun lahat na convert. But still, that's a very big number. That's one of the reason why basketball is not just about shooting. It's a multifaceted game of attacking and defending. And with that, Olet showing his prowess in dribbling the ball, but no good. Osea, the small man, getting the offensive rebound for his team, but intercepted by the desperate players of Labo. Now Bernal attacking. But there was a foul called. Grabe yung defensive prowess na pinapakita ng Team Kapalonga.
Yes, partner. Pero good gestures on the part of Osea. Nakita niya si Bernal, mukhang tatama na dito sa ating stage. So hinawakan niya at talagang hinila niya. So that's a good gesture of sportsmanship, partner.
Tama. And that's what we promote, no, in every kind of sport. You know, yung ability to recognize that you're just playing the game. No?
Yes.
Hindi mo sila dapat kalabanin or maging kaaway. Because you cannot play basketball without an opponent.
Yes, partner. So naalala ko tuloy ang aking dating head coach dyan na si Coach Noli. Sabi nga ni Coach Noli Ayo, kalaro, hindi kalaban.
Ayan. Shoutout sa iyo, Coach Noli, isang idolo, no, ang nagpasimula ng Mindanao Peace Game.
Yes.
Eto na, ang ating Kapalonga, ang mga shooters. Mukhang nagliliyab. Ito si Olit. Both on the dribbling, attacking, and offensive rebounds. So ito na yung sinasabi natin. Pwedeng mag-iba yung mga scorers natin per quarter kasi eto nga kung Bicol Cup, they are picking the powerhouses, no? Kumbaga, merong all-star, pero lahat yan all-stars.
Yes, partner. So yun ang kagandahan nitong ating Bicol Cup tournament, partner. So talagang makukuha mo yung best of the best sa bawat munisipyo, sa bawat city na kasali dito sa Bicol Cup Camarines Norte.
Tama. Imagine, no, if there's a municipality or a city with 12 barangays, kuha ka lang ng top 1 player nila and then you have a team for
Yes,
Bicol Cup. So, hindi ito basta-bastang league. No? This is a Premier League, of course, brought to you by Congressman Zaldico at ng Bicol Party List. So, salamat po sa ating, of course, mga bossing din, no, na si Sir Lloyd and Sir Ino Rivera. Maraming salamat for bringing the Bicol Cup to Camarines Norte.
Yes, partner.
And now, Labo on their momentum, no? Quick steal and pass to Bernal. Bernal, no, showing that is no, it's a good choice to bring him in the team. And here we go. Bernal once again securing the rebounds and then running. Diba? Parang nasa kabila pa lang siya. And then dito na naman sa may harap natin. But Abanto was fouled there and he was not happy with that foul.
You know, partner, this Kapalonga team, makikita mo sa kanila with that kind of lineup. Hindi din sila, partner, yung masasabi natin na sabi nga, porky homegrown, mahina. Hindi. They are fighting, partner. Kung makikita mo, they are physical kung maglaro din. And also, those kind of foul na makikita natin, that is not a dirty foul. That's a duty foul, partner. Kung makikita natin, medyo mismatch siya doon. Alam niya na that's an easy layup. So, he prevented that layup. So maganda ang mga fundamentals ng mga batang ito, partner.
Tama, ano, and that's the reason also why we are here, no, to clarify some misconceptions sa mga newbies and aspiring players. Minsan iisipin natin bakit foul pa, diba, or grabe naman yung foul na yon.
Yes, partner.
No, but it's a strategy, no, it's tactics. No, that is of course, no, part of the game.
Yes, partner.
And with that, no, of course, the consequences of bringing or taking a foul in a shooting position, you will troop to the free throw line. And with that, no, Abanto secured the deadlock for his team. And I think the ball possession will be handed to them. No, maybe upon review, the foul, the ordinary foul, was upgraded.
Yes, partner.
That's why they shoot from downtown. No, si Jose pero misses. And another opportunity for them. Napagandang laban. No? This is a Sisu battle. Makita mo at first minute, Labo is displaying their dominance and prowess on the court. And eventually, eto naman si Kapalonga magka-comeback. And eto na naman tayo after several seasons. Labo now is controlling the game.
Yes, partner. So match nga itong laban na ito. On that sequence naman, before this free throw, partner, hindi nagkaamo yan si Paddy and si Paitan doon sa rebound na yun for Team Kapalonga. And now, I think Team Kapalonga is on the penalty. So every time they commit a foul, Team Labo will go to the free throw line on this quarter.
Tama. Tingnan natin, no? I myself, I'm being excited of the result of this battle, no? A debut game for Kapalonga. and a comeback game for Labo after being defeated by Jose Panganiban in their first outing.
So, sino kaya partner ang magwawagi sa
Natin,
dalawang ito?
mukhang mahirap. No? And as we've been commending the Kapalonga players being homegrown, maybe ito ding Team Labo. We don't know. We don't have any information. Baka mga homegrown din ito. Knowing na usually kapag may import ka, kung hindi point guard, mga big man ang i-import mo. Pero wala naman yung parang giant dito on their side. So baka mga homegrown player din ito.
Yes, partner. So on that last sequence, ito talaga si Jose, isa sa maaasahan na player nitong Team Labo when it comes to transition, partner. So napakagandang player din when it comes sa transition.
Tama. And with that, Kapalonga again made their points trying to reach the Labo. And we're again on our deadlock. So di mo talaga alam ang mangyayari. Abanto, passing the ball. Ito naman, mukhang narinig tayo ng coach. Sabi natin kanina laging nasa right side. Now they're throwing the ball from their left side. Alani sinking the three-pointer. So maybe they are confusing Team Kapalonga. And a revenge three-pointer by Bien. Ayaw tayong pagpapahingayin. Itong both teams, they are sinking the shots left and right. And from downtown, what a blind pass! And a lob pass by Abanto to Bernal, but misses. And a quick pass, napakagandang ball movement. Securing the points by Bien. Napakaganda, pwede na yung ilista sa highlights. Ito naman Bernal against 3, attacking. Pushes hard and pushes forward. And a foul was called on Bien.
Grabe yung sequence na yun, partner.
Grabe.
Dito sa dalawang team na to, talagang they're not backing down dito sa laro natin. Of course, the three-pointer by Lyndon Alanis, alam naman natin na si Lyndon may shooting talaga yan. But Bien, hindi siya papayag na si Lyndon lang ang nasa three-point party, pati siya.
Tama.
Grabe itong mga bata
Makita natin sa ating replay, yung sagutan ng three-pointer ni Alanis. And of course, ng player ng Kapalonga na si Bien. And after that, nagkaroon tayo ng napakagandang ball sequence converting into 2 points. But Bernal securing the ball there to cut the lead into 1 point. Ito na tayo with Olit. Dribbling the ball once again. Blow by! Napakagandang blow by yan sa kanyang defender and a jump against 2. Diba? Grabe yung puso. Diba? Despite the mismatch on height and outnumber siya doon, He still jumped his heart out to release the ball and try to make the shot.
Yes, partner. If I'm the coach partner of this team Kapalonga, I will be happy with that kind of drive, partner.
Tama.
So talagang dapat they should be aggressive kahit na sinasabi pa ng Team Labo na kami ang mas ma-height sa inyo. Pero these guys from Kapalonga, hindi kami papayag sa ganun.
And with that, Olit misses his second shot but get his next attempt. So napagandang sequence ito and play para kay Olit. Creating a foul trouble for Team Labo, securing 1 shot and securing the ball possession for his team. Grabing ginagawa ni Olit ngayong second quarter. And knowing there's only 3 seconds remaining on the first half. Tingnan natin. From long range! And misses. Good run on both teams. Ending the first half with a 2-point advantage ng Kapalonga against Labo. Magbabalik po kami.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo dahil may kamalilinguan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan. Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang kongresman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Inot sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa ako Bicol, kadakulan ang tabang digi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang kongresman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Inot sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Inot sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maypangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadapulan ang tabak di Kisamuya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Partiles. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Ingat sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maypangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadapulan ang tabak di Kisamuya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Partiles. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And we're back to the ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Again, you are watching the game 1 of our doubleheader for today's elimination. No? Ang mapapanood po natin ang Team Kapalonga on gray jerseys and Team Labo on their green jerseys. Ako nga po pala si Angelo Espinosilia, ang inyong play-by-play commentator.
And good evening po sa lahat. Ako naman po si Coach Paul Sepe, ang inyong basketball analyst ngayong gabi. So, partner, this is the second half of the game. We're enjoying this match between Kapalonga and Labo. But first, partner, pasadahan muna natin itong mga highest pointers itong nakaraang half for team Kapalonga. We have Serrano with 10 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists. And also, ito si Jeric Olit with 10 points, 2 rebounds, and 2 assists, partner.
And dito naman sa side ng Team Labo, we have Jude Jose, garnering 11 points, 1 assist, and 2 steals on the second quarter run. And with that, we're back to the ball game, and leading now with 4 points is Team Kapalonga after exchanging courts. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang Labo. Good drive there by Raneses, but they failed to secure the ball. But an offensive foul was called there on Mabesa, no, on his first few seconds in the match. Mabesa has committed a foul. An opportunity to for Team Labo to minimize the damage that has been caused, no, in the late part of the second quarter and now in the early third quarter. Once again, Raneses throws the bomb. And yan, hindi ako nakasigaw ng kaboom. Credit to Sir Alex. Natulala ako dun, no? Hindi lang siya for the drive, no? For the long-range shots as well. And yan, ito na yung psychological effect, no, sa mga players. Pag inatake ka with a 3-point, you will throw one as a revenge. As if you're saying, you can do that, we can do that.
Yes, partner. So, but I think for Mabesa, that's a long 2, partner. So, kinount nila as 2 points lang yun. Pero that's a good look on the part of Mabesa. And for the Team Kapalonga, si Raneses naman, kanina na pa tinatry yung shot na yun, partner. First quarter pa lang. Now, pumapasok na siya.
No, mukhang kailangan lang magpalit ng court. No, and thank you for correcting me that part, on that part, partner. No, mukhang he stepped into the line. That's why it was counted, no, as a 2-pointer lang. Napaitan na was foul, no, under the rim. So, Lyndon Alanes will be shooting from the free throw line. And he misses. So Kapalonga still leading. Pass that to Paitan. Paitan. Is it Paitan or Tapis? No, I think there's 2 number 16. No, si Tapis pala yun. Si Paitan is...
Paitan, partner.
Si Paitan yung tumira.
Yes, partner.
Hindi, si Paitan is number 16 and si Tapis is number 16 din, no? That's why I'm confused. Dalawa pala silang number 16. Yan, eto na si number 16 na Paitan. Na the big one making a shot. So I think this is the first time. Nagkaroon lang siguro ng problem on printing. And here we go. Another 3-point attempt by Raneses but misses. Ito na. Git-gitan pa rin ang labanan. But now, no, the tables have turned. Kapalonga is now leading and dominating this unfamiliar territory. And makikita mo, partner, no, kahit hindi pa naglalaro ang Jose Panganiban, which will be our second game, punong-puno na ang ating court. No, kaya kung kayo ay dadayuin ng AKB ng Ako Bicol Cup, no, make sure na first game pa lang nandito na kayo para hindi kayo mawalan ng good spot.
Yes, partner. So, ayun na, very excited ito mga taga Jose Panganiban. And I think this is our first time here sa Jose Panganiban. And Jose Panganiban being the home court for this day 4. So siguro excited din yung mga tao na first time magkakaroon ng ganito kalaking liga dito sa kanilang lugar.
Tama. And you can see, no, and feel the love for the game.
Yes,
kasi different ages, no, matanda, teenager, bata, they are here, no, watching and supporting, no, probably the team that will play next. Or maybe may mga kilala din sila dito because Cam Norte is a small, no? As a relatively small province as compared to Camsor and Albay, which was our first and second leg.
Yes, partner.
So tingnan natin, no? Or maybe may mga crush sila dito kasi mga sikat na players ito. So tingnan natin, Macaro generating na play for his team, no? The big man is the floor general after I think they're reserving Raneses for shots, but still, no, he tried to drive Euro step in a reverse layup but misses. Mukhang gigil si Raneses ngayon. Kanina, no, he was just passing and shooting from long range, pero ngayon umaatake na din sa key itong si Raneses.
Yes, partner. But you see, Bernal is Macaro there, rushing the board. Medyo napalakas lang talaga yung pag-rebound, kaya nalabas yung bola.
And Morales loses the ball, but nandun si I think number 23, wala siya sa listahan ko, partner. Number 23 ba yun?
That's sa Bukor, partner. That's number 22. Yung
number 22.
Yes,
sorry.
partner.
So, sa Bukor.
So, kanina pa yan, partner. Si Sabukor, siya talaga nagiging bright light dito sa Team Kapalonga when it comes to outside bombs and also the inside presence of Paitan. But on the other hand, we have this Raneses, Jose, and also, partner, before that,
we would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of our very supportive government officials. We have the Councilor of Jose Panganiban, Sir John Michael Guzman. Happy viewing po sa iyo. We have Ray Kenneth Uning, one of the board members of Cam Norte, and of course, Sir Jojo Francisco, the Municipal Mayor of Labo. Thank you for joining us here.
Yes,
Welcome
partner.
po.
So, sabi ko nga, pag nakita nito mga players na to na itong mga bosses nila is nandito, so gaganahan yan, partner, maglaro. So, happy viewing po to Councilor, to the board member, and also to the Mayor of Labo.
Tama.
Welcome po dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Tama, no? And ito yung good part ng pagdadala ng Ako Bicol Cup dito. Na-recognize ng ating mga city officials and municipal officials yung promising players, potential players ng kanilang probinsya. And eventually, maybe they'll try to join other leagues as well.
Yes, partner. And on that end, partner, at naman si Sabukor getting that 3-point bomb. Napakagaling nitong batang ito. Dito sa third quarter, talaga pinapakita niya na ito, Labo, kailangan nyo akong bantayan.
Tama, and good connection there ni Raneses and Macaro. So, securing the 2 points for their team. But here comes Sabukor once again, flying, but rejected by the guard na si Bernal. Ito si Raneses, kanina ko pa nakikita, napakagandang awareness niya sa court. Without even looking, kaya niyang accurately ipasa yung mga bola. Nagkaka-problem lang sa pag-secure ng points. And with that, sayang. Sorry mistake for Team Labo.
That's another turnover, partner, for Team Labo. So, nagpapakita na dito yung 19 turnovers na sinabi natin kanina, partner. So, they should take care that ball, partner, para itong kalamangan itong Kapalonga matapyasan nila on this quarter.
Tama, and that turnover is stacking up. Tingnan natin kung mas kukunti ba o mas nadami. Kasi baka kumamot yung ulo ng coach natin dito.
So tingnan natin, partner, yung adjustments itong Team Labo because right now, ito namang Team Kapalonga ang pumi-pressure ng ball handler. So titingnan natin kung may magiging adjustment ba ang coach itong Team Labo.
Tama, Macaro shooting from a short distance and then Raneses from a long distance. Both missed. And that's an easy 2 points for Paddy. Using the board, 4-2. And now, Ibis is on the court. What a pass inside to Bernal. Grabe naman yun. Parang ito si Bernal as if is declaring that he is the king under the rim. Kanina, dito si depensa, malapit sa atin. Napaka-strong ng rebounds niya kahit dalawa yung kasabay. At dito, kahit sino yung siguro yung guardia, tatalon at tatalon siya.
And that's good recognition, partner, on the part of Lyndon Alanes na nakita siya sa ilalim.
Tama. Here we go. Now, Sabukor dribbling the ball for his team, passes it to Serrano, to Morao. Morao steps and tries to attack inside with 10 seconds remaining. Sabukor, once again with a Euro and the pass, loses the ball with that drop. Raneses with a Kuroko pass, but misses and intercepted. That was a very risky pass. Of course, it will either be stolen or a highlight. And with that, Serrano converting the turnover into a point. And walang kamalay-malay, 11 points na ang kalamangan ng Kapalonga na kaninang naghahabol. This is the first 2-digit advantage of the ball game. A very good start for their debut if they can continue this until the fourth quarter. And now, Sabongor dropping the bomb, adding insult to the injury. And I think it was recorded again with 2 points for stepping the line. But nonetheless, sampal yun sa Team Labo.
Yes, partner. So, ikatlong tira, ikatlong buslo. Sinasabi nga natin for this player sa Bukor for Team Kapalonga. So, partner, ito na yung sinasabi natin, kumpiyansa nitong bata kasi kanina pa pumapasok yan. So, titira yan, partner!
And ito na, kasi nabati natin. But of course, they will secure the rebound for an opportunity pero hindi papayag ang Team Labo. Parang hangin, lumipad si Ibis. And here we go. Alanis, but I think this Team Labo is being desperate now. They have to compose themselves. Kasi parang once they have the ball, they're failing to recognize that there are other teammates. Parang ang goal nila, pag nasa akin yung bola, kailangan ko itong maitira para makahabol.
Well, partner, you're correct, partner. This time dito sa third quarter, they should be composed. Kasi itong Team Labo, ang gusto nila pag nakaka-score itong Team Kapalonga, gusto nilang bawiin kagad dun sa other end. So, pero hindi natin minsan nakukuha sa madalian yan. So, they should execute their plays, partner. If they have one, execute their plays, stick to their system. Huwag silang magmadali kasi napakaaga pa nito, partner.
Tama, That's still, more than 3 minutes on the third quarter and another 10 minutes on the last quarter. They have probably, they have to regroup and compose themselves. Patingnan natin kung papayag ang Kapalonga na makapag-regroup itong Voltes 5 ng Team Labo. At napagandang atake inside the paint and good recognition ni Osea that it will fell short. And another attempt by the young man na si Balse securing the shot with a floater.
Napakagandang recognition ni Balse. Talagang ina-anticipate nila na drive si Balse sa right. Pero he can also drive to the left, partner. So maganda yung anticipation, maganda yung recognition doon ni Balse.
And here we go na naman, another turnover na naman on the side of Labo. And converting to 3 points si Vien. And good utilization. Ito yung sinasabi natin. Ang players ng Team Kapalonga, pabago-bago. I think this is a new set of 5 players. Wala na yung mga nag-score kanina sila ulit sa Bukor and so on, para makapagpahinga sila.
Yes, partner. So that's kudos on the coach of Team Kapalonga, partner, because napapansin niya na maganda yung linalaro ng mga players niya pag gano'n yung rotation. So gano'n yung ginagawa nitong coach ng Kapalonga.
And yan, tingnan natin. But again, the game is far from the ending. Kaya naman, kayang-kaya pang humabol ng Team Labo. And ito na, medyo disappointed doon si Bernal. The whistle was not blown. But he secured the 2 points nonetheless. Now once again, Balse dribbling against his opponent and fires from downtown! We have Paddy! Grabe, in and out ang atake itong Team Kapalonga.
And hawa-hawa na sila, partner.
And good pass sana doon ni Jose. Pero yan, misses. And eto, grabe, gumagawa na masyado si Bernal. Inside the court, parang inside the rim rather, is uncontrollable. Tingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin ni Kapalonga dito. But still, they're on the lead. Balse, dribbling the ball. Passes it to Paddy. Paddy showing his handles. Back to Vien. And that's his second shot. It's raining threes sa tabi ng dagat.
Grabe, partner. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, hawa-hawa na sila. Kanina si Sabukor, ngayon si Bien, pati si Paddy nakisali na din kanina.
Tama, and that's a good team composition pag lahat kayang umiskor.
Yes, partner. So, yun ang kagandahan nito, partner. Pag sabi nga natin, small lineup, dapat yung 3-point beyond the arc na yan, dapat lagi yung hinihit yan. Pag ganyan mangyari, for sure, may kalalagyan tong Team Labo na to,
Tama,
partner.
and yan, mukhang nagiging malabo na ang chance nilang manalo with a 20-point advantage. Binakbakan sila on the third quarter of this game. No, yung kanina,
Hindi natin napansin, no, partner. So, 20-point na pala. Pero, kudos to this young players. Yung mga bata, yung tumitikada dito sa Team Kapalonga. Pero for sure, this is just the third quarter. Ito namang Team Labo on the other hand because of their siguro their veteran presence, and also ito hindi pa nga natin nakikita dyan sa loob si Jose na kanina talaga pumupuntos din for Team Labo. So we will see on the fourth quarter, baka ipasok to at baka magkaroon ng milagro dito, partner.
Tama, no? Kahit nga 30 or 40 points nahahabol. So we can really never tell, lalo na at so much yung nakita natin kanina. Maybe Labo is finding their momentum, and eto na nga, nakuha nila. But Osea, out of nowhere, stealing the shot. And once again, Bien, eto na, saying that he can shoot in the free throw line as well, not just beyond the line. But Jose securing the ball, but is heavily guarded. Now, trap si Macaro. Pass it to the corner and shoots. Still no luck. And yan, no, mukhang medyo maganda naman yung opensa ng Team Labo at yung depensa nila medyo inaalat lang in securing the shots na maybe this is not their day.
Yes, partner. So again nga, yun nga, nothing but the shot, partner. So maganda yung mga looks din itong Team Labo, but yun, hindi nila ma-convert on the other hand. Kasi on the other hand naman, hindi naman nag-give up yung basta-basta sa depensa itong Team Kapalonga.
Tama. Yan, and speaking of Kapalonga, shoutout ko lang yung estudyante ko dyan na si Hannah Sofia Retiro and family. No, thank you for welcoming me when I was in Kapalonga, no, way back in 2019. So happy viewing po sa inyo. Napakagandang lugar, napakagandang mga dagat sa Kapalonga.
And of course, partner, happy viewing din sa mga late tuners natin dito sa ating AKB Cup. Sa malalapit po dito sa Jose Panganiban, you can still join us here. May mga upuan pa rin po, pero napupuno na talaga ng tao ito for our second doubleheader ngayon gabi, which is the home team, Jose Panganiban will be playing pa.
Tama, and kung hindi naman kayo makapanood kasi punong-puno na ang ating stadium, mapapanood po tayo sa YouTube channel na Ako Bicol Cup 2023, sa Facebook pages ni Congressman Saldico through Rep Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Online TV. So mapapanood po tayo dyan. So ang next game po natin ay ang home team, no? Jose Panganiban versus Santa Elena. So yan, ano kaya yung changes na pwedeng gawin ng Team Labo? Ano sila naman yung pag-uusapan natin para makabawi ngayong fourth quarter, Coach
So
Paul?
right now, before that, partner, right now is Lyndon Alanes on the line because before the time expires, partner, nakakuha siya ng N1 play. But for me, for Team Labo to get back on this game, partner, gawin nila yung ginawa nila no first quarter. Diba? Be aggressive on both ends of the floor, defense-wise and offense-wise. So, yun ang gawin nila para makabalik sila dito sa larong ito. At also, hindi sila magmadali na bawiin kagad yung 20-point lead na yan dito sa Team Kapalonga. Kasi, sabi nga natin, minsan di nakukuha sa madalian yan. So, they should always stick to their game plan, stick to their system pa rin para makuha nila itong panalo na to. And hopefully, makatabla dito sa Team Kapalonga with that, I think that's a 16-point lead, partner.
Tama. And of course, no, sabi mo nga, patience is the key, no? Kasi good things, no, comes to those who wait.
Yes,
tingnan natin, no, kung magdilang anghel ka, Coach Paul, at makabawi ang Team Labo and ibalik nila yung aggressive offense and defense nila. And with that, Alanes. And yan, they misses the ball. So balikan muna natin yung mga stats ng third quarter sa Team Labo. No, we have Bernal, no? Kanina pa natin pinupuri under the rim. He gained 15 points for his team. 6 rebounds, 3 assists and 5 steals. Grabe.
Okay, partner. On that last quarter naman for Team Kapalonga, yung highest scorer nila is itong si Miles Paitan, partner, with 14 points, 4 rebounds, and 2 assists, partner.
Yan, and kung mapapansin ng ating mga audience, no, pabago-bago yung surname na binabasa natin, no, and that proves that the players here, no, are no ordinary players. These are the best of the best. Ika nga, no, handpicked, of course, by their coaches and team managers. And with that, Jose throwing the ball from long range. Eto na. Mukhang nagbabaga na ang Team Labo. It's do or die. No, ika nga, sabi nila, all in na dapat tayo dito sa fourth quarter. No, the last drop of our sweat. Gamitin na natin. Eto na, Alanis, the big man, is driving the ball. Attacking the key. Nice pass to the side. Napakagandang Alanis, Jose connection yun. Eto na, sabi mo sa third quarter, no, si Jose mukhang hindi masyado pumuntos. Kita-kitaan tayo ngayon, Coach Paul.
Yes, partner. So, yun ang kailangan nilang gawin. Ngayon, si Jose being aggressive on the offense side and also Alindon Alanis. But also, they should fight for that defensive stops, partner. Kasi yun nga, kasi hindi pwede na umi-score sila, umi-score din tong Kapalonga kung gusto nila makahabol.
Tama. And with that, no, sinampal sila ng 3-point ulit ni Sabukor. But again, good ball movements naman on Team Labo from Ochoa. And he passed it to, I think, si number 3 na si Del Rosario. If I'm not mistaken. Ito naman si Sabukor against 5 against all odds. But misses the ball. No, that was too ambitious play, no, knowing that there are open teammates outside and 4 guards in the paint, yet he still attacked.
Yes, partner. So yun nga yung kailangan nilang gawin. Ito na Team Labo, partner. They should make stops, partner. Once they score, they should make stops para makabalik sa larong ito, partner.
Tama. And of course, yung weak side help din kapag nakalusot kasi ang gagaling mag-drive itong Team Kapalonga. And with that, Jose, no, carrying his team on his arms, tried the ball alone, but Bernal was there, no, to clean up his mess. And with that, na-alarm ang Team Kapalonga as because we are down with 14 points na lang, no? From more than 20 points a while ago, medyo nakahabol.
Yes, yes, partner. So that's an early timeout for Team Kapalonga. So siguro they will take note on the transition of the Labo team. And also, yun nga, sinasabi natin, partner, tinatanong mo kanina kung paano ba makakabalik itong Labo. Ganon na ganon ang dapat nilang gawin. They should be more aggressive on both ends of the floor, offense and defense. Pag umiscore sila, kailangan nila ng stop on the other end para hindi hindi makakaalagwa pa itong Kapalonga. But pag ginawa nila yon, ang mangyayari, makakahabol talaga sila. And now they're sticking to their man-to-man defense. For Team Kapalonga, titingnan natin kung sino naman dito ang player na talaga mag-step up ngayong quarter.
Tama, no? And na-delay lang yung 2 points kanina. So that's, I think, 4-1 run na nangyari kaya nag-time out sila. Now, Sabukor once again in his favorite spot. But this time, misses. No, you cannot, of course, have it all. Bernal loses the ball. No, a missed opportunity and a very crucial one.
Na-excite masyado si Bernaldo na nasa unahan na siya. So medyo dumulas yung bola sa kanyang kamay, partner.
Tama, pero kapit pa rin tayo as there's only 12 points. You know, kalamangan ng Kapalonga and nagmaman-to-man defense na nga. Binabantayan na nila yung mga shooter. Tingnan natin, no, if this will affect their, of course, no, cardiovascular endurance for the remaining 7 minutes.
And that's another good stop, partner, on the part of Team Labo. Now we will see kung makakascore sila dito.
Tama, and an opportunity to lessen the lead. And a quick 3-point attempt, but misses. Now that's 3 against 2. Tingnan natin, but intercepted by Del Rosario. Jose, quick pass to Bernal. Bernal attacking. But nandun si Alanes. No, ito na yung sinasabi natin.
Nasa 10-point lead, partner. 10 na lang inahabol itong Team Labo.
Yeah, and of course, no, we are not siding anyone, but the hope is, of course, for the underdogs or team na nag-aabol, na makahabol to give us a very good game. No? A game to remember, and that's an offensive foul.
Another good stop, partner. Another good stop for this Team Labo. So yun nga, unti-unti na kumakatok itong Team Labo sa pintuan ng Team Kapalonga. So tingnan natin din yung magiging adjustments nito ni coach ng Team Kapalonga.
And of course, they have to utilize the timeouts properly kasi fourth quarter na. Ito na, Labo misses the ball. And once again, Jose for his second attempt. No good, but Del Rosario and Bernal trying to secure the rebound but failed. Now, Kapalonga with Paddy dribbling the ball, attacking. Bernales loses the ball. And Sabocor once again, no good, but Paddy at the right place at the right time, securing the ball and killing the time. Sabocor once again with less than 10 seconds, steps and pops. No good! And a good rebound ni Paitan. And ito na ang ating big man! Na si Serrano ang bumangga. Giba! Securing the ball. And the points rather end one. Grabe naman to. Kahit ako parang mag-hesitate akong bumangga dito.
Napakalapad din. Sabi ko nga partner kanina, di ba? May height itong Team Labo, but yung build na itong Team Kapalonga, hindi mo rin matawaran, partner. Talagang malalaki din to.
Kumbaga, aararuhin ka sa ilalim kapag bumangga ka. So this is, I think, one of the things that Team Labo has to consider as they continue with the 5 minutes and 46 seconds remaining time for the match. And Serrano securing the ball to complete the 3-point play. Balik na naman tayo sa 13-point advantage ng Kapalonga. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng Labo. Bernal, nasa labas na ngayon. Tuse. To Macaro. Macaro. Back to Tuse. And to Macaro.
So again, partner, same ball itong mga taga-Labo. Tingnan natin kung ano ang gagawin nilang offense dito.
Tama, with 7 seconds remaining. Bernal again, adding to the scoreboard. Grabeng effort nito ni Bernal. Kung makita natin sa statistics, rebounds 6, assist 3, 5 steal, and 15 points, plus his points for today. And I think because of his, of course, he wants to guard as best as he could. He hacked the face of Olit as he was trying to shoot a 3-point play. And I think Olit will go to the medic to check if his nose is bleeding. So again, normal lang to sa larong basketball, lalo na kapag nasa fourth quarter na tayo. Mga konting lambingan, ika nga.
Yes, partner. So on the part of Bernal, wala namang partner wala naman siyang intensyon na makasakit. Kaya lang talaga, yung momentum niya talaga papunta na dun sa player. So tinamaan ngayon I think that's Olit, partner, if I'm not mistaken. So
yes, Olit.
So tinamaan yung kanya dito sa my nose part. So but we are ready for that. We have a medical staff to attend to those players na may magkakaroon ng ganyan.
Of course, ganyan ka-secure ang ating mga liga ng Ako Bicol Cup. But tingnan natin if this loss of Olit will change the team chemistry for Kapalonga. Tingnan natin kung maging disadvantage ba ito ng Kapalonga or it will prove us wrong because these players are all-stars.
Yes, partner. So, dito, momentum changer siguro ito mangyayari dito. Pero,
Jose, trying from long range. But intercepted by Sabocor with a spin, attacking, quick pass to Paddy, Paddy to Sabocor, pump fake, shoots using the board, no good, but here comes at the right place si Tapis, back to the big man connection ni Serrano and Paitan, flexing their muscles after securing the points plus a bonus shot. Makita mo yung dalawang Giants,
Sabi ko nga sa iyo, partner, ito si Serrano at si Paitan talaga, hindi din to magba-back down dito kay Bernal and Macaro. So, medyo nahuli siya doon ng referee, nakatagilid si Macaro when attempting to block that shot, partner. So, tinawagan siya ng mga referee ng foul.
And Yan, ito na. Mukhang na problema na ang Team Labo. No, mukhang ito na yung joke natin, malabo.
Yes, partner. Pero yun nga, sabi nga natin kanina, wag silang mag-rush, partner, dito sa mga situation na to. Kayang-kaya pa yan with 4 minutes and 24 seconds remaining on the fourth quarter, our last quarter. 13-point lead lang yan, partner. So, sabi nga natin, 1 ball possession at a time. And then, pag nako-convert sila, they should stop on the other end with their defense. So, yun lang ang gawin nila. Kasi kanina, partner, na mapapansin mo, kahit ikaw nakapagsabi, medyo minadali yung tira kanina.
Tama.
So, yun ang dapat nilang gawin. So, stick to their system and still laruin nila yung gusto nilang mangyari sa game na ito.
Tama. Very good insight, Coach Paul. No? Kayang-kaya pa yan ng Team Labo kahit malabo kasi bilog yung bola.
Yes,
no? Nakita mo yung wordplay ko doon sa mga letters.
Naipasok mo pa yun.
Naipasok mo. What a pass! Bounce pass! Ni Bernal kaya Salgado. Grabe naman yun. Ito talaga yung puso ng isang basketball player. You will still do your best despite your disadvantaged position. And ito naman, good pass pero medyo advance yung position ng magre-receive na si Ibis. Very, very strong pass on the side of Ranieses doon. A missed opportunity because the head of the arrow was pointing on the court of Team Kapalonga. And now, Paddy still generating a play for his team. Eto na, walang takot si Paitan but it was stolen. He attacked there like a wildfire and lose the ball.
But it's a good foul, partner, on the part of Sacubor, partner. So nakita niya that to prevent that possible primary offense for Team Labo. So magandang recognition nito ni Sacubor, partner.
Tama, and knowing that it's only their third team foul.
Yes, partner.
Ito na. And 3-point attempt but he was hacked there. So I think Ranieses will troop to the charity line to throw the ball 3 times.
Yes, partner. So, buti na lang nakakuha ng foul doon si Ranieses, partner. Kasi, yun na naman, minadali niya na naman. That's only the first pass, partner. Nakakita lang siya ng puwang, tinira niya na. Buti na lang, naka-fish siya ng foul.
Tama, no? Kasi medyo airball yung tira. Buti na lang, he was hacked while still in the air. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, mga kasurog, we're down to a single-digit lead. If I'm not mistaken, 2 shots synced by Ranieses. Kaya 77 na siya. Kaya 9-point lead na lang ng Team Kapalonga and almost stripped away. But here goes Kapalonga running inside. Number 21 na si Olit, nakabalik na sa laro. But misses the opportunity. Now Ibis looking for a teammate. Bernal with a fadeaway shot. No good. But Salgado was there to secure the rebound. But a foul was called on Salgado.
That's an offensive foul, partner, on the part of Salgado. That's a sorry miss, partner, for Team Kapalonga. Sayang nung mga transition. They have a good stops in the other end. Sayang nung mga transition, di nila nako-convert.
Tama, partner. And we have to commend the heart of Labo from more than 20 points. I think it reached 25. Nandito na tayo into a single-digit lead. 9 points na lang. So that's 3 points, of course, without scoring from the opposite team. Tingnan natin.
But partner, on the other end, Kapalonga with Paddy is now on the land para dagdagan yung kalamangan na yun.
And we're back, as speaking. Back na naman tayo sa 2-digit lead ng Kapalonga against Team Labo. Yan, shout out din po natin ang ating writer na si Sir John Iris Muhar. Shout out po sa cum laude nating writer. Happy viewing po.
Happy viewing, Iris. So, kailan kaya siya pupunta dito?
Kay Sir Choi Ruizo din ng Cam Norte Land Bank. Happy viewing po sa inyo. And with that, Ranieses again, attempting a 3 and securing it. We're down to an 8 points, ladies and gentlemen. Kapit lang po tayo, mga kasurog. Kasi kanina pa, gitgita ng bakbakan ng Kapalonga versus Labo and intercepted by Labo. Now, Ibis running like a wind, loses his guard, and Rañeses out of nowhere using the board and securing the shot. What a run by Labo there, and the coach of Kapalonga na si Sir Mabesa was threatened, calling an immediate timeout to regroup and think of those errors that they committed.
That's a good call, partner, on the part of Coach Michael Mabesa, partner. Kasi ito na nga, in the striking distance na itong Team Labo sa Team Kapalonga. So titingnan natin dito sa pagbabalik ng ating game kung ano magiging adjustments itong Team Labo and Team Kapalonga coming into this near end of the quarter, partner. So 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Kapalonga leading by 6 points.
I know we are about to close the curtain, and these two teams is never stop surprising us with their of course superb prowess in attacking, their techniques. Kung makita mo dito, out of nowhere, the small man is flying like a Superman. Grabing effort ni Rañeses.
Yes, partner.
Parang it made me recall yung laban ng Kamsur Express versus a team, I forgot the opponent, where Ayo shoot 11 points on the last minute, of course securing the win for their team. So tingnan natin if the same story will be created here for Team Labo, or maybe hindi na sila makakahabol at the end.
But partner, ito, this is a development here, partner. May naging error ang team ng Kapalonga dito. Coming off the timeout, partner. So may babalik sa Labo ang bola.
Tama, and then a quick attempt on the side of Rañeses, but it was predicted, and now running coast to coast si Paitan, and the foul was called there.
Grabe yung palitan doon, partner. Nagkaroon na ng error yung Kapalonga, which is a good thing for Team Labo to score once again. But ayun na naman yung sinasabi natin, yung pagmamadali na habulin yung kalamangan na yan. Sometimes mapupunta tayo sa sitwasyon na hindi natin gusto.
Tama, and you have to remember, hindi cones yung mga kalaban mo. You cannot easily put the ball in the basket with quick attempts. You have to think of creative ways, just like they did a while ago. So tingnan natin kung makakahabol itong Team Labo. After Kapalonga missing the 2 free throws, mukhang mapapakamot ulo dito si Coach. And Rañeses, the court general and the shooter with a quick pull-up 3-pointer! Rañeses, ladies and gentlemen, carrying his team on his small shoulder. Ito na, desperate na ang Kapalonga. Paitan trying to prove himself right after missing several shots. Buti na lang sa kanila pa yung bola.
Grabe yung Rañeses, partner. The small guy with a big heart. Grabe.
In Kamsur, ang tawag namin dyan, sadit sana pero lintian. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, with the last 2 minutes of the game. Olit on the corner. Gieno with a sorry miss there. Rañeses again with a blind pass. Blind pass, ladies and gentlemen, to Ibis. Is the court general now. Kumbaga, he's in the zone. 1-point lead of Kapalonga. Morao trying to attack and an opportunity to turn the tides. Ibis running and a blow by. Throws the ball and he will drop to the line to gain an advantage. Ito na yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. I have to take back my words na malabo na kasi paunti-unting lumilinaw ang tsansa ng Labo na manalo kasi nga bilog yung bola.
Yun, partner. So yun na nga yung sinasabi natin. They should make stops and they should score at the other end. Yun ang ginagawa ng Team Labo ngayon, partner. Good recognition yun sa mga players nila. And also, good recognition dito ni Rañeses dun sa pull-up. Unang pull-up, 3 points pa lang, partner. Alam ko na yung nasa isip niya talaga, ititira niya yun. And also, these guards of Team Labo, this will be a big factor here pag nanalo sila, partner. But now, again, Ibis will go to the line for a charity throw, a 2 free throw. So titingnan natin if they can lead or they can at least tie this ball game dito sa ating fourth quarter with 1 minute and 31 seconds.
Tama, Coach Paul. No? Ako, excited na ako. Grabe, aside from the fact na nahabol nila, look at the faces of the players of Team Labo. No, ngumingiti na sila. Na kanilang mukmuk, no, the spirit has been uplifted by the exhibition shown to us by no other than Ranieses. No, ladies and gentlemen, that's jersey number 19. No, a must watch no exhibition. Pwede nating i-replay mamaya no ni Joshua Ranieses.
Yes, partner. So ngayon, tinitingnan ng ating mga referee if that last foul will be upgraded. Kasi medyo may konting, medyo may konting nakita sila na excessive masyado yung pagka-foul kay, if not mistaken, kay Ibis, partner, on that drive. So, titingnan nila if that will be upgraded or it will be a regular foul lang, partner.
Okay, tingnan natin no kasi it will bring of course no smile to the faces of Team Labo and of course the people of Labo watching no in their respective homes and even no probably meron din dito sa court kung ma-upgrade yon yung foul na yon no. Of course very high tech ang ating paliga no brought to you by IMBC. No?
Yes,
of course led by
partner.
Direct Christian. So
Yes,
instant
partner.
replay to
Yes,
check.
mayroon tayo dyan. Kumbaga, yung mga mata ng ating mga camera sa katutok dyan talagang hindi makakapagbiro at hindi makakalagpas sa ating camera yung mga excessive na yan, partner.
And of course, no, shout out ko na din ang nanonood na si Rick sa mga sa inyo sa mga wala palang laro.
Okay, that's a good development, partner, for Team Labo. But yun yan, medyo masakit yun sa Team Kapalonga. That's an unsportsmanlike foul.
Yan, ito makita natin sa replay. And the crowd goes wild after making that shot. Makikita mo, partner, kung nasaan yung mga Team Labo dito.
Yes, partner. So now we're tied at 88 apiece, partner. So titingnan natin itong last shot.
And it misses. But since it was upgraded, the ball will still be theirs, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, partner. So mabibigay pa rin sa Team Labo itong bola dito sa atin with 1 minute and 31 seconds remaining on the last quarter.
Tama. And Coach Paul, no, regardless kung sino man manalo dito, my heart is satisfied. No, thank you, Ako Bicol Cup, for bringing such wonderful opportunity no, to witness an amazing game between these two municipalities. Of course, brought to you by Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List and our commissioners, Sir Ino and Sir Lloyd Rivera. And here we go, Ranieses! 3 points! Even! Iwasak right after. Kumbaga sa Sakuragi, sa slam dunk, meron tayong tinatawag na Boy Labo. Ito si Ranieses, ang boy ng Labo. Ito naman with a revenge 3-pointer, but no good. Ranieses securing the ball, dribbles, and he was fouled by Sabucor. That's a desperate foul on his side, no? Maybe out of frustration, missing the shot and being intercepted. And turnover for Team Labo.
Yes, partner. So that will result to a penalty, partner, kasi nakalima ng foul itong Team Kapalonga. So that's a good development again for Team Labo. But medyo kumukonti yung chances or nag-slim yung chances itong Team Kapalonga coming into this last 1 minute mark of the fourth quarter, partner.
No, nasustain nila yung Sisu battle and I think yesterday meron din ganitong laro. No? And Ranieses is showing off! Jose now calming his teammates. No, saying let's kill the time because we're on the lead. But Ibis there throws the ball. No, with still time to spare. Tingnan natin if that release will be the cause of their miss. So tingnan natin, Sabucor from the corner. No good naman sa mga importanteng oras. No. Sa mga importanteng oras, pumapalya ang shooter. ito na mga kaibigan. Mukhang sa comment section natin, no, na nagigil na din ang ating mga viewers. No, akala mo kanina wala nang pag-asa yung Labo. And then here comes Raneses carrying the team on his back. But of course, we have to commend the individual efforts of his teammates as well. Lalo na si Bernal, no, nakakalaro lang ngayon, no. Grabe yung effort niya on the defense and offense. No,
Okay.
Meron na tayong 2,100 viewers.
Okay, so hello sa mga ating 2.1k viewers sa ating mga sa social media platform natin. Of course, partner, yung 2.1k viewers na yun, nasa isang platform pa lang natin yun. Maybe on Facebook, partner.
Oo, and of course, may YouTube channel
yes,
pa tayo.
partner. And also, the live audience that are here sa San Jose Panganiban rather, na nanonood, partner, talaga ito, jump pack na tayo dito. But again, yung mga gusto pa pong humabol, this is just the first game, but this is a very intense first game, partner, dito sa ating day 4 ng Ako Bicol Cup tournament, partner, dito sa Camarines Norte Leg.
Tama, and take note, Coach Paul, no, eliminations pa lang ito. Wala pa tayo
Hindi
sa
pa po
semis or
semis.
finals. Grabing laro, no? And punong-puno na, no? I'd advise kung manonood kayo dito, wag na po kasi punong-puno na, no, yung entrance natin. Mapapanood tayo sa ating mga platform. But going back, Paitan, now, shooting from beyond the arc still, no luck. But the rebound was there, but intercepted with seconds to play. Tingnan natin kung kanino mapupunta yung ball possession. Ibibigay sa Team Labo or Team Kapalonga, no, an opportunity for a comeback. Tingnan natin. Ito, nire-review muna ng ating technical head. Grabe, partner. First game pa lang po ito, mga kaibigan. Meron pa tayong game 2 between Jose Panganiban, no, the home team, and Santa Elena. So stay tuned, mga kasurog. Kasi grabe ang larong ibinibigay sa atin ng dalawang team. Puso, no? Kapalonga on gray jerseys and Labo on green jerseys.
So, partner, pero statistically, partner, this is just a 5-point lead with 39 seconds remaining. If quick shot ito ng team Kapalonga, 2-pointer or 3-pointer, pwede pa silang umistop ng isa pa sa kabila. So this is hindi pa dito safe ang Team Labo, partner. So for Team Labo naman, they have to defend well on this possession para kung gusto nilang manalo, na talagang masecure na yung panalo sa gabing ito.
Tama, no? And if you're watching while driving, no, igilid nyo muna yung mga sasakyan nyo. And kung nasa bahay naman kayo, make sure you're not on the edge of your seats kasi pwede kayong mahulog as Labo intercepted the ball and a foul was called. And the supporters of Labo are now clapping because they have, no, a higher chance of winning this game because there's only less than a minute to finish the game, plus they have the ball possession. So ano kayong gagawin dito ng Team Kapalonga, Coach Paul, if you're the coach of that
Partner,
particular team?
but first, this is a very crucial free throw for Salgado, partner. Pag na-miss niya yan, this is again a 5-point game. But ayun, narinig tayo, pumasok yung isa. But for Team Kapalonga, 6 pa din yan with 37 seconds remaining. Another quick shot, quick primary. Makatira sila ng mabilisan again. And then, stop sila ng isa pa. Pag naka-stop sila, makakabalik pa sa kanila yung bola.
Tama. And speaking of Olet, dribbling the ball, pass it to the side, but intercepted by Jose. Jose evading the foul that will be attempted to cut the time, but Bernal was caught there by by Morales. No, good foul on the team of Kapalonga to stop the time because it's their only chance, no, to win this game. No, they're very desperate now. But of course, no, Bernal is slapping their faces saying, no, wrong choice.
Yes,
wrong
partner.
choice.
So I can say, pag napapasok pa to ni Bernal, so that's it, partner, for this game.
Yeah, of course, no, statistically speaking, it's close to impossible, no, with the time left. Of course, Labo will still guard but they will avoid foul. And yan, pero puso pa rin sa Team Kapalonga, no? They're fighting in the very last seconds of the game.
So again, Jose will troop to the line, partner, for 2 charity throws. So again, para madagdagan pa yung kalamangan na yan with 16 seconds remaining on the 4th quarter.
Tama, no? But again, no, sabi ko nga kanina, nonetheless, kung, regardless kung sino ang manalo dito, this game, no, is a story to tell.
Yes,
no?
partner.
From Labo gaining an advantage on the first few minutes and Kapalonga, no, controlling the game in the middle part and almost, no, destroying the hopes of Labo, and then Labo, no, having the comeback. But that's still a 3 points. No. And I think we're hearing the music of victory for Team Labo, and Team Kapalonga has accepted their defeat. This is a good game, no, for the debut of Kapalonga, no. You will learn from this experience as you continue the bout, no, for championship, to fight for the championship kasi first game pa lang nila ito. And a good comeback for Team Labo after tasting defeat against Jose Panganiban in their first outing.
Yes, partner. So sabi ko nga, there's hindi dapat maano dito, panghinaan ng loob dito ang Team Kapalonga, partner. First outing pa lang nila, ganito yung pinakita nila. So talagang, kaya yung mga teams na makakalaban pa nitong Team Kapalonga, medyo mag-iisip din. This is not a push-over team kahit sabihin pa natin lahat to homegrown. Hindi po gano'n. Napakagaling ng mga batang ito. Sabi mo nga, this is handpicked by their coaches na talaga dun sa town nila ay magagaling na on their town. So, for Team Labo naman, congratulations for bagging your first win here at the Camarines Norte leg of Ako Bicol Cup. Coming from a loss, that's the way how you bounce back, partner.
Tama, no? And I think napagandang laro ang pinakita ng Team Kapalonga, no? Nagkataon lang, nagkaroon ng marang hand of Midas itong si Ranieses on the very end of the game, no? I think that's the last 4 minutes or 5 minutes of the 4th quarter. Sunod-sunod na 3 points. And even, no, good passes. Grabe yung game awareness nitong batang ito, no? You will see really the potential of the players for both teams. So I'm looking forward for their next games, no, sa mga laro ng Kapalonga and Labo. As this is my first commentating here also in Camp Norte.
Yes, partner. So again, partner, sa tingin natin, as you see the game highlights of this game, partner. So sa tingin mo, partner, sino kaya ang ating magiging kasurog player of the game?
Of course, no, if I have to pick, no, there's no other person, no, than Ranieses. So, I'm not sure kung Ranieses or Ranieses, no, I'll be asking him later.
Yes, partner.
Pero
sabi nga natin, once a shooter will always be a shooter, and shooters will always be a shooter kahit anong gawin mo. Kahit mumimintis pa yan, pag tira na yung bola na yan, there's a 100 or 50% chance to shoot that ball. So, yun ang ginawa nitong batang ito. Alam mo, yun sabi ko nga, a small guy with a big heart. So, hindi siya nagpadala dun sa first half performance niya. Medyo maalat siya nung first half. But again, bumawi siya this fourth half. And especially, nung pinaka-kailangan talaga nung fourth quarter, partner. So, yan ang ano natin. So, hinihintay lang natin, partner. I think they are just taking a look sa stats kung sino ang ating magiging kasurog player of the game. So, as we see the highlights of this very intense first game, partner.
Tama. And I think, no, Ranieses reminded me of the MVP of Capsur League, no, na si Papam Santa Maria. No, grabe yung mga movements na ginawa, no, ng batang ito. 3 points, passing, and even attacking inside the paint. And on the very crucial time as well. So, tingnan natin, no? And I think meron na tayong kasunod player of the game. So, we'll give the floor to our courtside reporter na si Barbie Floriano. Barbie, the floor is yours.
Magandang gabi muli mga kasurog, and yes, right now I am with our kasurog player of the game, Joshua Ranieses, jersey number 19 from Team Labo with 21 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists, and 2 2 steals. Congratulations, Joshua. Anong strategy ba ang ginawa niyo para di na mahayaang makabalik sa momentum ang kalaban?
Kailangan ng tulong-tulong ng kasama para makuha yung depensa at opensa para sa amin ang momentum.
Alright, Joshua, may nais ka bang batiin or pasalamatan? Go ahead.
Shout out sa misis ko, sa anak ko. Sana nanonood kayo.
Thank you and congratulations again, mga kasurog. Here concludes our Game 1 for the night. Stay tuned because we still have another match. Jose Panganiban versus Santa Elena. And again, this is Barbie Floriano, your courtside correspondent.